Here are the facts. Mexico is strategically located between South and North America, sharing more than 3,000 kilometers with the largest economy in the world. We are the second most important economy in Latin America and the 14th worldwide. We export over $370 billion every year and trade over $1 million with the US every second. We are the fourth largest car exporter in the world. Mexico is a hotbed for entrepreneurs. 7 out of 10 jobs come from SMEs. Speaking of entrepreneurship, Mexico plays a leading role. We are relevant, we are innovators, we are leaders. We want to tell you about Mexico and its people. The talent within is reflected in companies that exist and compete in a global economy. It starts with a dream that becomes an idea that sometimes gets sketched into a coffee napkin. And with the right planning and execution, it turns into startups that will change the way we live. I'm sure we have all heard the phrase, "Viva Mexico!" But what does it mean? Fancy some nachos? We look at an avocado and think of guacamole. The Mexican startup, Biofarce, took the seed and transformed it into a biodegradable, sustainable plastic. Viva Mexico! Mexico City, with over 22 million people, Parkymobile lets us know where to park. And how about paying for that parking meter from your smartphone? No time wasted, no change needed. Viva Mexico! Speaking of smartphones, we are a country that loves social media, with millions of online users every second. Is it a waste of time? Or a way for Coeski to determine if you are trustworthy of credits and loans? Viva Mexico! Yes, this is Mexico, a country far away from sombreros, tequila, and tacos. Tacos. We are leading our way into technology, creative solutions, and even fashion. But am I missing something? Of course. We cannot forget how this handsome golden fellow I know has been migrating south for the last couple of years. Viva Mexico! Join us at Inc. Monterrey and the Startup Nation Summit starting November 19th, 2015 in Monterrey, Mexico.